Hey everybody, today we're going to unbox this 3Racing Cero M225 mini belt-driven four-wheel drive chassis. Let's get started. Alright, let's find out what comes in a box. Bag 1 is going to be for the gear differential. Bag 2 is going to contain obviously the chassis and also the front and rear suspension arm assemblies. So that's going to be bag 2. Bag 3 has the front and rear bulkhead and of course the drive belt and some screws. Bag 4 is going to have the front and rear shock towers and stabilizer bars. I think you can see those. Bag 4. Bag 5 has the front and rear knuckles. Bag 6 has the oil-filled dampers. Bag 7 have the electronic mounts. Bag 8 has the bumper and body posts. This bag has the oils, the damper oil, differential oil, that's thread lock. You have some ceramic grease, double-sided tape, and the spare gears right there. And there's 2 sheets of stickers. One for the Cero Sport and one for 3Racing. Very cool. And of course you get a manual. So here's bag 1, gear diff assembly. Bag 2, front and rear suspension arm assembly. Bag 3, front and rear bulkhead installation. Also the drivetrain. Bag 4, front and rear shock tower assembly. And then the front and rear stabler assembly. Bag 5, we're going to have the front and rear knuckles. Bag 6 is going to have the oil dampers. Bag 7 are the RC unit installation, the electronics, the motor, ESC, etc. Bag 8 is going to have the front and rear body posts and also the bumper. And these are a couple setup sheets. If you plan on racing, this is pretty much kind of already pre-filled out. Show you what a standard setup is going to be for whoever drove this in back in 2024. And here's a blank one. Here are all the parts identification, and that's it. So that is the 3Racing Cero M225 Mini. I will be building this on a live stream coming very soon. Thanks for watching this unboxing video.